Here is our list of the best DJI drones you can buy right now. All the products mentioned in this video are available in the description below. The DJI Mini 4 Pro redefines what an ultralight travel drone can achieve, combining portability with professional-grade performance in a registration-free 249-gram body. Designed to fold down to a remarkably compact size, it slips easily into a small bag while maintaining a durable airframe with built-in cooling for longer flights. Its standout feature is a powerful camera system built around a 24mm f1.7 lens mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, delivering ultra-smooth 4K HDR video and detailed 48-megapixel stills. The quad-Bayer sensor supports advanced color profiles such as HDR, HLG, and D-Log-M, giving creators flexibility for both quick social content and serious post-production. Dual-format recording allows seamless switching between horizontal and vertical video, making it especially practical for platforms like YouTube and other social networks. Safety is another major strength, with full 360-degree obstacle detection enabling intelligent avoidance through modes like brake, bypass, and more dynamic flight paths, making it far safer than drones with limited sensors. Built-in GPS adds peace of mind through Return to Home and Find My Drone features. With up to 34 minutes of flight time on standard batteries and as much as 45 minutes with extended options, downtime is minimal. Creative tools such as Active Track, Precise Subject Following, and Cinematic Quick Shots further expand its storytelling potential. Altogether, the Mini 4 Pro delivers a rare blend of compact design, advanced imaging, intelligent safety, and long endurance, making it an exceptional ultralight drone for beginners, travelers, and content creators who want premium results without the bulk. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro represents the pinnacle of cinematic drone technology, setting a new standard for professional aerial filmmaking with its powerful imaging system and intelligent flight performance. Built for filmmakers, vloggers, and serious content creators, the drone's defining highlight is its groundbreaking triple camera setup, which offers unmatched versatility in the sky. The primary wide-angle camera features a large 4/3-inch sensor developed in collaboration with Hasselblad, delivering rich color accuracy, impressive dynamic range, and stunning clarity for cinematic scenes. Complementing this is a 48-megapixel mid-telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, ideal for dynamic framing without sacrificing image quality, while a 12-megapixel 7x telephoto camera allows long-range compositions and creative compression shots that were once impossible on consumer drones. Beyond imaging, the Mavic 3 Pro excels in safety and reliability with full 360-degree obstacle avoidance and advanced pilot assistance systems that smoothly navigate complex environments, letting creators focus fully on capturing the perfect moment. Integrated GPS enhances flight stability and enables smart features like Return to Home and geofencing, while AirSense aircraft detection adds an extra layer of professional-grade situational awareness. With an impressive flight time ranging from roughly 35 to 45 minutes depending on conditions, it provides extended shooting sessions without constant battery swaps. DJI also offers multiple packages, from the standard model with a built-in screen controller to the high-end Cine Edition with ProRes recording, massive onboard storage, and a premium remote, plus fly more combos with essential accessories. Altogether, the Mavic 3 Pro stands as a true game-changer for aerial cinematography, delivering unmatched camera flexibility, robust safety, and elite video performance worthy of high-budget productions and ambitious creative visions alike. The DJI Flip stands out as an ideal entry-level drone, redefining what beginners can expect from an affordable lightweight aircraft. Designed specifically for new and recreational pilots, it combines user-friendly controls with impressive features in a compact body weighing under 249 grams, allowing it to avoid registration requirements in many regions. One of its most distinctive elements is the integrated propeller guards and unique circular folding frame, which enhance safety and visual appeal while enabling convenient palm launches and landings. Despite its light build, the Flip offers level 5 wind resistance for stable flights in breezy conditions, while forward and downward obstacle sensors add an extra layer of protection by stopping the drone near obstructions. Its camera performance is particularly strong for this category, featuring a 4K 60 frames per second camera mounted on a 3-axis gimbal that delivers smooth cinematic footage. The bright f1.7 aperture supports vibrant low-light video, and creators can record in 10-bit color or D-Log-M for greater editing flexibility. A 2x digital zoom maintains lossless quality, and vertical shooters can capture 2.7K video suited for platforms like YouTube Shorts. Control options are flexible, including onboard buttons, smartphone app operation, and dedicated remotes such as the RCN3 or the upgraded RC2 with a built-in screen. For longer sessions, the Fly More combo adds extra batteries and accessories. While the absence of remote ID may limit commercial use, the DJI Flip delivers exceptional value, blending safety, portability, creative capability, and stylish design into a highly accessible drone perfect for beginners starting their aerial journey. The DJI Air 3S sets a new gold standard as the brand's best overall drone, blending professional performance with user-friendly operation for creators, travelers, and hobbyists. Building on the Air 3, it introduces meaningful upgrades such as 42GB of internal storage, enhanced imaging options, and improved low-light capability. Its dual-camera system offers exceptional versatility, pairing a high-resolution wide-angle camera, 12MP by 50MP, with a 48MP medium telephoto lens to deliver detailed stills in RAW and JPEG formats, and an effective 1 to 9 times zoom range. Video performance is equally impressive, supporting 10-bit 4K at 60 frames per second, plus slow motion at 120 frames per second in 4K and 240 frames per second in Full HD. Advanced color profiles like D-Log-M and HLG provide high dynamic range and professional-level grading flexibility. Weighing 1.59 pounds, the Air 3S is lighter than the DJI Mavic 3 Pro yet remains sturdy, built with premium materials and capable of resisting winds up to 12 meters per second, though it requires FAA registration. Its folding design and included shoulder bag make transport easy for on-the-go shooting. Flight performance is enhanced by omnidirectional obstacle sensors, active track 360 degrees, and reliable return-to-home technology, ensuring both creative freedom and safety. The intuitive DJI Fly app and RC2 controller with a 5.5-inch touchscreen streamline operation for pilots of all skill levels. With up to 45 minutes of battery life, and even longer sessions available through the Fly More combo, the Air 3S delivers stability, endurance, and cinematic image quality. Altogether, it offers a rare balance of pro-level features, durability, and accessibility, making it an outstanding all-around drone for elevating aerial photography and videography. The DJI Avata 2 represents the brand's most accessible and immersive first-person view drone, designed to bring the excitement of first-person view flying to both newcomers and experienced pilots. Inspired by the thrill and perspective familiar to fans of first-person shooter games, the Avata 2 offers a smooth entry into first-person view without the steep learning curve traditionally associated with the category. At the heart of the experience is the upgraded O4 camera system paired with the latest first-person view goggles, delivering crisp 4K video with enhanced dynamic range. Footage looks impressive straight out of the camera, while support for D-Log-M gives creators added flexibility for color grading in post-production. The goggles are compact and comfortable, featuring dual micro-OLED displays with a high refresh rate that ensures vivid colors, sharp detail, and a highly responsive immersive view during flight. Flight control is tailored to all skill levels through 3 modes: normal, sport, and manual. Beginners can fly confidently in normal mode using the intuitive motion controller, supported by safety features such as obstacle avoidance, return to home, and an emergency brake. More advanced pilots can unlock higher speeds in sport mode, or switch to full manual mode with a traditional controller for aerobatics and advanced maneuvers. The redesigned airframe is lighter, quieter, and more aerodynamic, improving overall handling and efficiency. With up to 26 minutes of flight time, the Avata 2 allows longer sessions without frequent battery changes. While not intended for hardcore freestyle first-person view, it excels as a cinematic sinew hub, offering precise control in tight spaces and delivering high-quality immersive footage. Overall, the DJI Avata 2 strikes an excellent balance of thrills, safety, and performance, making it a standout choice for anyone exploring first-person view flying.